Hi everyone, today we're testing the Mova V50 Ultra Complete. A quick note on the brand. Mova launched in 2024 and makes smart home devices that clean and work on their own, giving you more time for everyday life. The V50 is a ultra high-end, no-touch cleaning solution. Top specs without breaking the bank. Alright, we all seen the specs, but how does the Mova V50 Ultra really perform in a messy room? Today, I'm skipping the simple stuff and putting it through real-world obstacle course. Pet hair, clutter, and tough navigation. Let's see if it lives up to its hype. First up, navigation. Watch how the lifting LDS laser navigation maps the room in real time and adapts. See how it slows down to weave through these chair legs? Here's a big one, a doorway threshold. With its 6 cm bio-inspired wheels, it climbs right over without getting stuck. And look at this long-haired rug, a nightmare for most robots. The obstacle crossing Stepmaster system handles it effortlessly. This is smart mobility. A major weak spot for many robots, edges and corners. I've put a line of dust right along this wall. Let's see if the side brush and suction can get it. Look at that, the side brush pulls the dust away from the wall and the strong 24,000 PA suction grabs it all. True edge-to-edge cleaning. Here's the real test, real pet hair on both hard floors and this carpet. The claim is a triple anti-tangle system. No hair wrapping around the main brush, side brush, or the wheels. Look at that, the hair is in the bin, not wrapped around the rollers. Game changer for pet owners. And notice it auto lifted the mop pad when it hit the carpet so it didn't get wet. Life has clutter. Can it navigate without getting stuck on a dog toy? So far, so good. Now for mopping a real dried-on spill. And this is where the Mova's industry-first dual solution system really shines. Instead of just plain water, the V50 Ultra has two separate cleaning solution tanks. One for regular cleaning fluid and the other one for a specialized pet-friendly deodorizer. It automatically mixes the right amounts as it mops, helping remove odors and keep floors fresh and hygienic, perfect for pet owners. The FlexiPass mop pad is applying downward pressure, not just wiping. You can see it lifting the stain while the dual solutions go to work. This is practical mopping performance. After all that real-world grime, look at these mop pads. The true test of the complete system is the Omni-Dry base. It starts with an 80°C hot water self-wash to dissolve all this dirt. It washes and then hot dries the pads completely, preventing mildew. This is what hands-free really means. And here's a nice surprise. Every Mova V50 Ultra Complete comes with an accessory bundle worth $219. Inside, you get one pair of anti-tangle dual roller brushes, two side brushes, 3 dustbin filters, 3 dust bags, 6 pairs of mop pads, and 1 liter cleaning solution. And a 200 ml pet deodorizing solution. Plenty to keep you running maintenance-free for months. So in a real home with obstacles, edges, pet hair, spills, and odors, the Mova V50 Ultra didn't just survive, it excelled. Its navigation is smart, the cleaning power is real, the dual solution system keeps the floors fresh, and the self-cleaning base plus the accessory bundle make it truly maintenance-free. A genuinely impressive performance.
Low battery. Returning to the dock to charge. Robot will resume working after charging. Start charging. Start cleaning mop pads.
Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the Mova Home app. It's super easy to use. You can set up cleaning zones, choose different modes like vacuum only, mop only, or vacuum then mop, and even schedule cleanings while you're away. Everything is customizable right from your phone, which makes managing your V50 Ultra really convenient. Maintenance is just as simple. Empty the dustbin and refill the water tank, clean the filter basket, just tap it out and rinse it if needed. Doing these things keeps your robot running smoothly and ensures peak cleaning performance every time. Clean water. This is the dirty water.
Start dehydrating mop pads.
Dust bag. This is where the solution goes.